Fuck recipes, you probably don't need them. Breading, very simple, makes things crunchy and tasty. Maybe you've seen the steps: flour, egg, breadcrumb. Tonight, I'm gonna fry a little cheese, Kashkaval cheese from Bulgaria. It's gonna add salt and crunch to a nice simple tomato salad. Tomato salad's gonna have umami from the tomatoes, fresh herbs in there, basil, mint, a little crunch from cucumbers, but the real winner is gonna be this fried cheese. And the way I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna dip that cheese in flour. The flour is gonna help the egg stick, and then it's all gonna get rolled into fresh breadcrumbs. How do you make fresh breadcrumbs? You can make them out of anything. Take any piece of bread, tear it up, throw it in the oven at about 350 until it feels dry enough. Then you blend it, boom, you've made breadcrumbs. You can add lemon zest, you can add lime zest, you can add garlic, you can add fresh herbs to those breadcrumbs. Or if you don't have breadcrumbs, you can use panko and grind that up. You can use ground up Cheetos, potato chips, cereals. It doesn't matter. Breading does not have to be this crazy thing you get worried about. Dip something in flour, then into egg, then throw it in whatever crunchy thing you have. Let's make this dish. Is breading bad for you? Eating not delicious food and getting really sad is also bad for you. Fried cheese is amazing. It's tasty. Try it. You don't need a recipe.